Welcome all you Zontes maniacs. Understanding the front brake reservoir and fluid level is important, so let's break it down for you on the Zontes 703 models. Yet this process is applicable to all motorbikes. The reservoir stores hydraulic brake fluid, which transfers force from the brake lever to the brake calipers. It's usually located near the handlebars for the front brake system. How to check the fluid level? Look for the minimum and max markings on the reservoir. The fluid should be between these marks. Too low can cause brake failure. Too high can lead to overflow. If the fluid looks dark or contaminated, it's time for a full flush. Owner's manuals state to change the brake fluid every 3 years. So this video shows the steps to remove the top and the correct assembly of the internal cap components. I will repeat this video with Chinese instructions after this presentation. When topping up, choose DO3, DO4, or DO5.1 brake fluid. Check your bike's manual for the correct type. Cover around your reservoir with a rag to prevent spills. Use gloves and safety glasses as brake fluid is corrosive. Park the bike on a level surface to prevent fluid imbalance. Remove the reservoir cap carefully. Avoid shaking the fluid, as air bubbles can affect braking performance. Check the fluid level and top up slowly to the max mark. Seal the reservoir tightly and wipe away any spills. Test the brakes before riding to ensure proper function. Ride safe until next time.
ZT703系列吸护前主泵由杯盖拆装视频教程。所需工具：十字螺丝刀。使用十字螺丝刀拧松固定前主泵油杯盖的2颗螺栓，将油杯盖拆下。注意防护，防止刹车油滴落到车辆零部件上。ZT703系列吸护前主泵油杯盖的安装。新油杯盖零件如图所示，按视频顺序将油杯盖部装好。白色塑料件的孔和黑色橡胶件的凹槽对准油杯盖的孔安装。将油杯盖的2个凹槽位置对准油杯上的螺栓孔安装。将固定油杯盖的新2颗螺栓装回，并使用十字螺丝刀拧紧。拧紧油杯盖螺栓时，需多次交替拧紧，以确保2颗螺栓拧紧力相近。拧紧扭力不能超过2牛米。谢谢观看。